Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss how to disable notifications on YouTube Android. YouTube provides notifications for new uploads, comments, messages, and more, which some find distracting or annoying. We will walk through turning off alerts on the YouTube app. First, open the YouTube app on your phone or tablet. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Look for Settings and tap to access available options. Select Notifications to control alerts. Options for customizing notifications include a toggle for Allow Notifications, which determines whether alerts notify you of activity or remain silent. Turning this switch to the off position disables notifications from YouTube. Consider how engaged you want to remain with the latest updates, interactions, and events on the platform to determine if allowing or preventing alerts better suits your needs. Notifications can be re-enabled at any time if preferred. After reviewing options, turn the switch next to Allow Notifications to the left off position to disable alerts. Then tap Save at the bottom of the page to apply the setting. YouTube playback and usage on your Android device will now remain silent until notifications are enabled, or additional notification settings are adjusted. The default notification option can be switched on or off going forward as needed. Third-party YouTube apps, themes, or add-ons could potentially introduce security or privacy issues, rather than using the official YouTube app and its features. For controlling alerts, the YouTube app itself provides a simple solution. In summary, to disable notifications on YouTube Android, open YouTube, tap the profile icon, select Notifications, turn off Allow Notifications, review, and tap Save. Your YouTube experience will now remain silent unless notifications are enabled or other options adjusted. Let me know if you have any other questions on customizing alerts, managing default settings, or streaming features. I can provide additional guidance on options available in the YouTube app. Thank you for watching. I hope this information was helpful. Have a wonderful day. Please feel free to message us via direct message with other questions. We are here to support streaming services, social media features, and more. Stay safe.